Welcome, and thanks for watching. I hope that you find these videos helpful to you as you study chemistry this year. Our first video is on scientific notation. Here's a little cartoon. First off, what is scientific notation? Scientific notation is an easy way to express big numbers. So here's that same thing restated. Scientific notation expresses either very large numbers or very small numbers in a more convenient way using the powers of 10. Here's a couple rules that we'll be following. The digit part, that's the part that comes out in front, must be between 1 and less than 10. We can't use the number 10. It will have to be less than 10. Secondly, we're going to find the decimal place and then we'll move it either to the left or to the right. Okay, let's practice. Express the diameter of the Earth in scientific notation. So this is the diameter of the Earth in meters. Now remember that the digit part has to be between 1 and less than 10. So one of the first things we need to do is we need to decide where is the decimal place in this number. Of course you know it's at the end. Now ultimately this number is going to be between 1 and less than 10. So that means we're going to have to slide this decimal place over a number of times. So let's see what we have now. Now our digit part is between 1 and 10. But where did we get this 10 to the 7th? Well, we had to slide the decimal 7 times. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So similarly, if we slide this decimal 7 places to the right, we'll have 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7. So there would be 4 zeros after this number. So large numbers will have 10 raised to a positive power. Here we're going to see the opposite. We'll have 10 raised to a negative power. Express the diameter of a plant cell in scientific notation. So a plant cell, of course, is a very small number. So we want the decimal to be here, once again, between the 1 and the 2, because the decimal part has to be between 1 and 10. So let's slide the decimal over to there. Let's count how many times we do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should be 10 to the minus 5th. Now it should be noted that this minus 5 does not mean that this is a negative number. It just means that it's a small number, because this number here is not negative, it's small. So this decimal should be slid 5 times to the left. That would put 4 zeros out in front. And that's what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Express the following numbers in decimal notation. So now we're going the other direction. So this is 2.3 times 10 to the 4th. So which way will we slide the decimal, to the left or to the right? Well, this is a large number, 10 to the 4th, so we're going to slide this decimal 4 places to the right. So we should have 3 zeros after this. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Okay, what about 6.75 times 10 to the minus 3? Well, this minus sign tells us that it's going to be a small number. So we will slide the decimal 3 places to the left. So we should have 2 zeros in front. Alright, now let's say we want to carry out some computations using scientific notation. Well, when multiplying, we can multiply the digits and add the exponents. When dividing, we can divide the digits and subtract the exponents. When adding or subtracting, first we have to convert to the same power of 10. Then after that, we can add or subtract the digits. Or of course, you can just simply use your calculator. That's probably the easiest way to do it, or that's definitely the easiest way to do it. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how to use your calculator to carry out computations involving scientific notation.